Welcome. In this guide, we'll introduce the Blueprint Content Engine, a systematic approach for using AI as a precision drafting tool. Our goal is to move beyond generic articles and build practical, genuinely helpful guides for beginners. The core principle is to treat AI as a guided assistant, not an autopilot. Many users fall into the magic generator trap, expecting a perfect article from a single command. Instead, we'll use a co-pilot workflow, where you collaborate with the AI step by step to ensure the output is original, practical, and trustworthy. The biggest threat to quality is generic synthesis. A broad, single-step prompt like "write an article about web hosting" inevitably fails. It repeats common knowledge, misses specific beginner fears, lacks real-world examples, and ultimately creates a low-value impression. The solution is to calibrate a master prompt. Instead of a weak, unconstrained command, we'll engineer one by defining 4 key elements: the target, the audience, the goal, and the tone. This gives the AI clear guardrails for producing relevant content. Our process begins with Phase 1, System Calibration. In this initial stage, we'll set a clear target for our content and map out the specific problems our reader is facing. First, we lock onto the reader's problem. Use a prompt to define the goal of the article, turning a rough idea into a focused mission. Then, and this is critical, ask the AI to map out the specific fears, problems, and questions a beginner would have on this topic. This prevents empty, generic explanations later. With the reader's problems mapped out, we can now generate the content blueprint. Use a detailed prompt to create a structured outline that addresses the beginner's journey, from understanding the problem to practical steps, common mistakes, and a final checklist. Now we move to Phase 2, Sequential Synthesis. This is where we begin drafting the content, but with a strong focus on controlled generation, formatting, and making the final text easy to scan. To maintain maximum control, we use a microdrafting protocol. Never ask the AI to write the entire article at once. Instead, prompt it to generate the content section by section. This allows you to review, edit, and keep the output perfectly aligned with your website's overall voice. Next, we force practical applications. AI often defaults to vague, marketing-like language. We'll use an editorial funnel prompt to refine this, demanding simple examples and replacing abstract claims with observable facts, making the content far more trustworthy. A wall of text can be intimidating. Here, we'll engineer scannability. Use prompts to suggest clear, benefit-driven headings. You can also ask the AI to write quick, 2 to 3 sentence answer boxes that summarize the main idea for readers in a hurry. Your article also needs to perform well in search and support the reader after the main text. Prompt the AI to generate SEO-friendly meta titles and descriptions. At the same time, ask it to create a practical FAQ section, filtering its suggestions to only include real questions a first-time user would ask. This brings us to the most important stage, Phase 3, the human override. AI is a powerful drafting tool, but it cannot complete this phase alone. This is where we inject reality and establish true authority. To transform the AI draft into an original resource, you must inject genuine experience. Add real screenshots from your own workflow, document actual beginner mistakes you personally witnessed, and include specific checklists and internal links. This step is what makes the content uniquely yours and truly helpful. For pages that build trust, like an About or Contact page, use the Trust Page protocol. The directive is to let the AI help with clarity, but the constraint is that it must never invent credentials or claims. Focus it strictly on your site's true purpose and how it actually helps beginners. Finally, we enter Phase 4, Quality Assurance. Before publishing, we need to audit the entire piece for common AI patterns and run through a final pre-flight check. Here, we're spotting system hallmarks. You can even ask the AI to review its own work for generic writing. Scan for low-value patterns like identical introduction styles across multiple articles, overly perfect but empty wording, and broad statements that lack concrete examples or screenshots. The last step before publishing is the pre-flight dashboard. This is your final human editing checklist. Does the article answer a real question? Are technical terms explained simply? Are there practical examples? And does the final version truly sound like it belongs on your website? Let's look at this entire process in action. We start with a weak, raw idea like write about cPanel. Through calibration, we make it specific. In drafting, we create a detailed outline. And in augmentation, we add our own human experience, like a real cPanel screenshot, to create a valuable guide. This creates the content architecture loop. It's a repeatable four-phase system. Calibration defines the goal, synthesis drafts the content, augmentation injects your experience, and quality assurance executes the final checks. Once you publish, you can repeat the loop for consistent, high-quality output. Always remember, AI output is only the scaffolding. Your experience is the architecture. Your job is to guide the system, not just follow it. By doing so, you can build content that actually helps beginners succeed.